Hey Legacy Builders, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Morgan Housel's masterpiece, The Psychology of Money, extracting 9 key lessons for your financial journey. This is by far one of the best books I've ever read about finance and investing. So, get ready for a transformative adventure that will leave you feeling inspired and ready to conquer your financial journey. Lesson 6 is by far my favorite, so grab your favorite snack, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive into this beautiful journey together. You might want to save this video and come back to it later. Let's go! Lesson 1. Navigating your financial journey. We are all sailing our own ships in the vast sea of financial decisions. Embrace your unique path shaped by your beliefs and experiences. My personal tale. Since my teenage years, I've always dreamed of real estate riches. After reading this, I realized it's okay not to compare my journey to others. We are all sailing our own ships, and that's what makes it exciting. Now, let's explore the role of luck, skill, and unfair advantages. Lesson 2 is a game changer. Life's outcomes are a beautiful blend of luck, skill, and unfair advantages. Morgan shares stories of legends like Bill Gates, highlighting the role of luck in success. Life is like a roller coaster, and instead of fixating on individual success stories, appreciate the broader pattern and seize opportunities. If you are looking for the best ways to invest in real estate so that you can become financially free, then visit propertyaskeko.com to book my free consultation at the end of this video. Moving on, let's delve into the power of recognizing enough. Lesson 3 is a gentle reminder to recognize when enough is truly enough. Our friend Morgan encourages us to break free from the cycle of perpetual growth and find contentment in the present moment. And from my own personal conclusion, one way to knowing that enough is to know that whatever that you are doing will not harm your reputation, your character, your accomplishments, your family, and the people you love. Next up, let's discuss the power of compounding. Lesson 4 reveals the magic of compounding. Picture Warren Buffett, the financial guru. Did you know 99% of his wealth came from the power of compounding? Start early, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow over time. Success isn't about big wins, it's about steady growth. If you are enjoying this video, then smash the like button so that together we can get this video spread out to more people like you and hopefully help them as well. Moving on, the art of saving. Lesson 5 hits close to home. Your savings rate shapes your financial landscape. It's not about your income or returns, it's about how much you keep. Personally, building wealth has little to do with the size of my income or investment returns, and lots to do with my savings rate. Coming in next is the power of wise spending. Lesson 6 is absolutely my favorite. Use money to buy freedom and create lasting memories. It's not about possessions, it's about the life you live. And the highest dividend money pays is the ability to control your time. So spend your money wisely. If this video is helping you in some ways, this channel is definitely for you. Subscribe! Now, let's talk about balancing risk and humility. Lesson 7 is a reality check. Getting rich involves risk, but staying rich requires humility. Dance through life's financial maze with a balance of daring and caution, and understand that wealth can be fleeting, and so protect your treasure. Lesson 8. Prepare for life's unexpected twists and turns by leaving room for error. Life is about emotional well-being and peace of mind. So, prepare for the worst but hope for the best. Lesson 9. Stay flexible, keep it real, and adapt your financial plans as needed. It's not always about rationality, it's about reasonableness. The goals you set today might not align with the future you. For instance, paying off your mortgage might not make economic sense, but if that helps you to sleep better at night, then it's a win. If you are watching this, comment "I'm a legacy builder" below. Your engagement means the world to me. Thanks for joining this journey, Legacy Builders. Remember, each lesson is a stepping stone toward financial empowerment. Like, subscribe, and share with fellow Legacy Builders. Until next time, take care and stay financially empowered. Peace. Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.